Hello. Glad to see you again. Today I would like to share with you the video about Jupiter, rules Sagittarius, sub-ruler Pisces, exaltation Cancer, detriment Gemini, fall Capricorn, responsible, knowledge, digestion, married, Jif, first letter of the Greek spelling for the god Zeus, represents, benevolent, protective urge, anatomy, arterial blood, circulation, the liver, thighs, hips, feet, right ear, upper forehead, glycogen and fatty tissues, pancreas. Keyword, expansion, general, rules wealth, leisure time, big business, the higher mind, optimism, height, growth, morality, prosperity and indulgence. Also higher education, philosophic reasoning, aspirations, sports, luck, long-distance travel, hunting and fondness for animals. Jupiter is the judge, the lawmaker and the helper. In earlier times Jupiter was known as the greater benefic. Jupiter's action is orderly and promotes health and growth. Where you find Jupiter in the horoscope is where you often have good fortune and like to spend your leisure time. Fourth house, private. It shows your private life, home, endings, property, a parent, foundation, latter part of life. Natural sign is Cancer. Natural ruler is Moon. Keyword is security. Fourth house, the house of endings and water. Quality is angular house. General. The fourth house shows that your home and your parents, your family comes from, your roots, and the house you are going to establish. This includes your heritage, genetics and ancestors, psychological origins and your private life. This house shows properties, such as housing or real estate, and all that is secluded. It is the home of the end of life, the end of all problems, the reputation after death and the burial place. It shows that parents have a greater influence over you as a child, your subjective self and the foundation on which you build your personality. Jupiter in fourth house. Jupiter is also in the fourth house of your chart, which means home and family are two areas of your life that provide a lot of satisfaction and pleasure. You put a lot of time and effort into your home, making sure that everything is going smoothly and that everything is comfortable and attractive. Decorating the home can be something you have a special talent for. Your home or property is likely to be large and expansive, or near large areas or land or water, giving you a sense of well-being. Otherwise, you might be living in a large open space or near the ocean. You like being able to escape the small details of everyday life by relaxing in or around your home. You like to know that they are comfortable and well-maintained. Your immediate family may be quite large, or perhaps you have a large extended family. Depending on other aspects of your birth chart, you are likely to acquire property through investments or inheritances. You can also travel to live in a foreign country. Ancient astrologers believe that the planet Jupiter has a beneficial effect on a person's birth chart. Register to see free online horoscopes. You register quickly via Facebook or by email. Step 2. Enter your date of birth. Find the city of birth according to the syntax: city, state, country. Check your date of birth. Step 3. Your date of birth information will be assigned to an ID code. You use this ID code to view the horoscope online in different tabs. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions please tell me. If you want free horoscopes please watch below video. Thank you. See you in the next video.